Hello everyone, this is Mehdi and you are welcome to a new video. In this video you will learn how to change a default currency in WooCommerce. But before jumping into the main tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with the latest WordPress tips and tricks. Okay, let's get started. Very fast, let's check the present currency. This is my demo e-commerce website and it shows currency as dollar. Now in this tutorial we'll learn how to change this default currency. Okay, so go to the dashboard and hover on WooCommerce, click on settings. Very fast it shows settings, lots of settings tabs, and you have to select the general tab. So click on general, scroll down, just scroll down, then you can see currency options. Then currency, you have to change the currency from here. Currently it shows United States dollar, so click on this down arrow, then type here your own currency name. Like if you want, then you can write here Indian currency. So Indian rupee, you can see it shows Indonesian rupee and Indian rupee, so I want to give it Indian rupee. Select and save changes. Then again visit the website and refresh the page. Yes, you can see the currency has been changed. Now again go to the settings area, then you can see the country state. It shows United States, but I want to set India. That's why I have set the currency as Indian rupee. Okay, so again click this down arrow, then you can type your country name. Like if you want, then you can write here India. Okay, you can currency state, you can change from here like Indian, and scroll down and save changes. Then again refresh the page. Yes, it looks like as before. So thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get more videos on WordPress.